How to remove green screen in Camtasia Studio 8. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse our YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this video until the very end because you don't want to miss any part of the video. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So add a video in the clip pane and now drag it in the timeline, and here we have a character with dancing, okay, and behind is the green screen, and we want to remove this green screen. So how can we remove this green screen behind this character? It's very simple, guys. So tab on more, and here we have visual properties. From visual properties, you want to go to remove a color, and now here tab on the color and tab on select color, okay, and as you can see it just disappeared. But problem is we have this screen around the character. So how can you remove the screen around this character? Is by increasing the tolerance. Okay, a bit of softness, you can increase the softness as well. Need to play with softness and tolerance. Now, let's see. And as you can see, guys, we removed the green screen behind this character. So that's how you remove the green screen in Camtasia Studio 8.